Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn English grammar possessives. Possessives means who or what has or own something. Look at these examples. His hair is short. Her hair is long. This is our car. I have left my umbrella at home. Is this your pen? The dog saw me and wagged its tail. This is their house. So the words his, her, my, their, our, your, and its tell us that something belongs to someone. These words go before nouns. These words are called possessives. Let's see some more examples for possessive pronouns. This is my pen. This pen is mine. This is your car. This car is yours. This is her car. This car is hers. This is our car. This car is ours. This is his car. This car is his. This is their car. This car is theirs. Here, the highlighted words in these sentences also tell us that something belongs to someone. These words can stand alone. They are not followed by nouns. So these words are also called possessives. Now look at this table to understand possessives. Here three columns are there. The first column shows pronouns and second column shows possessives followed by nouns and third one possessives that stand alone. And for pronoun I, we use the possessive my and mine. For you, we use your and yours. For pronoun we use our and ours. For pronoun he, we use his and his. For pronoun she, we use her, hers. For pronoun it, we use its. And last, for pronoun they, we use their and theirs. So let's do an exercise and you will understand more about this possessives. My name is Reku. Here the possessive my is followed by noun. Second one, Miss Kohli is dash English teacher. So the answer is are. So it is followed by the noun English teacher. And third one, shall we watch the match at their house or ours? Here the possessive that stand alone. Next one, I have two brothers. Their names are Love and Kush. So the answer is there and it followed by noun. Rohit likes cricket. Dash favorite player is Virat Kohli. Here the answer is his and it followed by noun. Next one, his car is red, dash is blue. Mine is blue and here the possessive that stand alone. Hope you clear about this exercise. Let's do one more exercise. Rewrite the sentences after correcting the errors. Some sentences have two errors. This is me pencil box. Here the error is me. Do you know which possessive is used here? Yes, it is my. This is my pencil box. Second one, this book is my, that is your. There are two errors in this sentence. That is my and your. So what will be the answer? This book is mine, that is yours. Here the possessives that stand alone, not followed by nouns. Third one, this is Aarti's new car. She likes his car very much. Here the error is his because the pronoun is she. So we use the possessive her in the place of his. So the answer will be like this. This is Aarti's new car. She likes her car very much. The next one, his name is Aditi. Here the error is his because Aditi is the name of a girl. So we use the possessive her. Her name is Aditi. So hope you understood this exercise. So possessive means who or what has or owns something. The words his, her, my, their, our, your, and its are the words go before nouns, and the words mine, yours, hers, ours, his, theirs are not followed by nouns. These words can stand alone. They are also called possessives. So, hope you understood this chapter. Do your exercises carefully and complete your work. Thank you. Have a nice day.